Tired of wandering aimlessly through the vast Minecraft world, desperately searching for that elusive village or a specific biome? Well, the locate command is your new best friend. Let's unlock its power and never get lost again. First, open your chat window, usually by pressing the T key. Then, type locate. You'll see a list of available structures and biomes appear. This list is context sensitive, showing what's locatable in your version of Minecraft. The syntax is simple: locate followed by the name of the structure or biome you're looking for. For example, if you want to find a village, you would type locate village. Once you hit enter, the game will calculate the coordinates of the nearest instance of that structure or biome. The coordinates will appear in the chat window. The game also gives you the distance from your current location to the located structure. Now you can copy these coordinates and use the TP command, followed by your username and the coordinates, to teleport directly there. This will greatly speed up your exploration. And that's it. With the locate command, you can quickly find villages, temples, ocean monuments, and a ton of different biomes. So, go forth, explore, and conquer, knowing you have the power of location at your fingertips. Happy crafting!